ganged up. Look at all of them.
There we go. There we go. Woo! Look at all them redfish, Jeff.
No. You spooked them all.
Sick, huh?
This is awesome.
Look at that. Look at that fish. All over the
Yeah.
side.
He does got some fight, don't he?
Yeah. Good, nice fish. There we go, baby.
That's a nice fish.
This is what I was telling you. You got to come out here and do with me, Jeff. Yeah, all meat. It's a little deeper now, Jeff. It's about 15 inches. We started out in about 9. Yeah. That's a big thick one there. Yeah, good fish. Good job. Beautiful, beautiful.